as when the stakes are highest, he finds a way. And this crowd loves it. We should see a lead change by a lot. 92 points.
92 points and a 47 3/4 rider score. I mean, this guy, you just run out of superlatives to talk about him because he really is just that good. Picked a rideable bull that fits his style, and this is just Jose showing off. I mean, opening up with the outside leg. For all those that had questions, I would say he is back.
Jose Vitor Leme has done a lot in his career. He's trying to become only the third man to win 3 gold buckles.
Against Jose is when he tries to do too much, and he starts getting really wild with his free arm, puts a lot of pressure on his riding hand. His arms aren't very long. He can't put that kind of pressure on his hand. This is going to be close, but I think he's still going to have the tail of that bull rope.
Yeah, as long as
that's what'll tell the tale here.
The bull rope is in his hand, and he doesn't, from that angle, this looks like a score. Now, it's just going to be a matter of how much they dock him for going off the side of the bull. Because remember, half the score comes from the rider. Half the score comes from the bull. He needs 86 1/4. He gets 88 1/4.
Yeah. For the groin, I am 100%, guys.
Hey, guess what? That ride just backed up what he told Kate. 100% and ready. This is going to be big.
This is the round right here.
Absolutely. Leme just wowed this crowd at the Yum Center and everybody watching on TV. 90 points.
Yeah,
He's made his living on the back of this bull. Well, it's almost a given when Leme is on the back of the right stuff that it's going to be a qualified ride. This is one that will change the leader. It just depends how much he gets because Leme knows there's 2 guys sitting behind him. Jose needs 83 3/4 to move to the lead. He gets 87 1/2.
Big, strong bull, going to be probably one long one out here.
Jose just loves the limelight. We've got a new leader in Louisville.
Well, and he's just that good, too.
How big will it be? Leme wants some numbers, we'll call it. How about 91?